smoked Irish butter on Smokin and Drinkin. Hey, welcome back to Smokin and Drinkin. I'm Mike, and today we're going to do a quick little video on smoking butter. We're going to have a cold smoked Irish butter. So just a little quick one, pretty simple. We're going to use our Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill, and we're going to use Kerrygold pure Irish butter. We've got an 8-ounce block and some parchment paper, and so it's pretty simple. We're going to cold smoke it, as I said. So let's get our Ninja turned on to smoker, and we're going to put our temperature all the way down until it says CLD for cold, and we're going to smoke it. We're going to start it. We're going to put it at 45 minutes. We'll check it at about 30, and we'll see how it goes. So we shut the lid. We're going to let it ignite. That'll take just a minute, so we'll be back as soon as the pellets are lit. We're using pecan pellets, Traeger pecan pellets. That's a light. We'll give it a light smoke, won't overpower the butter. But we'll let those get ignited, and we'll be right back. All right, our Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill is got the pellets lit. So we'll get the butter on there and let it cold smoke. Like I said, we're going to check it at about 30 minutes, and we'll just sit outside and enjoy the day. It's one of our first beautiful spring days. It's about 62 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm just going to sit outside and enjoy it. Okay, so we're going to put it on the parchment paper, lay it right on the grill. Again, we're cold smoking, so there's no heat on the grill. I can touch it. But we're just going to smoke that for 30 to 45 minutes. You can go up to 2 hours if you'd like, depending on how much smoke you want to impart on there. I am home on my lunch break, so we probably won't go 2 hours, but we'll be back and we'll check it in about 30 minutes. All right, it's been about 30 minutes, and let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, so it's starting to sweat. That's kind of normal. It's not really discolored much. It will get a little discolored, I think. So 30 minutes is probably the minimum time for imparting a good smoke. We're going to let it go probably an hour. So I'm going to have to set the timer back up for another 30 minutes. And we'll just let it go. We'll check back in. Okay, we're about 30 minutes, another minute or so, but we're going to go ahead and check it. And so it doesn't get discolored like cheese does, but we'll go ahead and pull it off, and it's very soft. It does have that smoky smell to it, so we are going to go ahead and call that good, and we're going to get that in. We're going to put it in. I'm going to put it back in the fridge, just let it get a little more solid again. Then we're going to put it in a Ziploc bag, just a simple Ziploc, so that it retains that smokiness, and get it in the refrigerator. Then we'll put it on. You can put it on anything. You can put it on mashed potatoes. Put it on the Irish soda bread that we just made for St. Patty's Day, or about anything. So that ought to do it for today. A short and easy, quick one. As usual, thanks again. As always, thanks for tuning in to Smokin and Drinkin. And remember to hit the like and subscribe. And Prost!